The journey of a precision-guided system begins in the silence of the deep earth, where rare alloys are reclaimed.
Welcome to the foundation of precision. These alloys are the backbone of high-altitude defense. Only the strongest materials from the mountain's core are selected for this high-security assembly. Pressure on this tank is stable, but let's check the seals. The crane's alignment is off. I'll log it for maintenance. Path is clear. Moving on to the next sector. Tanks are stable. Pressure is nominal. Moving to the next sector now. Pressure looks stable, valves are secure. Moving on to the next section.
The raw materials have passed the gate. Now, they enter the most secure logistics network on the planet. Every load is scrubbed and scanned, ensuring no external contaminants enter the clean room environment of the assembly core. Every second of transport is optimized through a fully automated, AI-driven logistics network. Total visibility ensures the security of the supply chain, preventing any deviation from the build protocol. The materials have reached their destination. The transformation from metal to machine is now imminent. The facility is a fortress of secrecy, buried under a mile of solid rock to remain invisible to the world above. Every entry is a digital filter, ensuring the integrity of the underground manufacturing ecosystem is never compromised.
Access to the assembly core is restricted to verified personnel only. Beyond this point, the mountain is no longer a cave. It is a masterpiece of industrial automation.
Security is embedded in every link, creating a closed-loop system where every movement is authorized in real time. We monitor the facility's vitals 24/7, ensuring absolute stability for the precision tasks ahead. Each zone is an isolated environment, protecting the manufacturing precision from the external pressures of the deep earth. Purity is essential. A single speck of dust could compromise the aerodynamics of a Mach 5 flight surface. Total visibility ensures that the production blueprint is followed with zero room for deviation or error. The gateway is closed. Now, the mountain begins to forge the future of global defense. Extreme pressure at the heart of the mountain forges the strength required to breach the sound barrier. Precision at the speed of light, shaping the internal architecture that will house the missile's brain. Every curve is sculpted to a micron, ensuring perfect stability during high-velocity maneuvers.
Cold cutting technology allows us to shape advanced composites without compromising their molecular bond. Maintaining structural integrity is the difference between a successful mission and a total system failure.
Controlled heat cycles ensure these critical attachment points can withstand the violent force of launch. Every component is an authenticated data point, ensuring total accountability within the underground complex. The human touch provides the final layer of perfection, refining the work of the machines for a flawless fit. We eliminate internal stress at the core, ensuring the airframe remains stable during the heat of atmospheric friction. The components are carved, the alloys are hardened. Now, the structural assembly of the aerospace titan begins. The airframe is unified, built to withstand the immense structural loads of supersonic acceleration. Precision at this scale requires absolute control, rotating the aerospace architecture for millimetric alignment.
This internal skeleton is the foundation of flight, engineered to maintain its shape under 30 Gs of force. Every structural rib is over-engineered to ensure the system remains stable at 5 times the speed of sound.
Structural synchronization ensures the missile's profile is perfectly shaped for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. We lock the tension of every control mount to a global standard, ensuring a lethal response in the upper atmosphere. The rear chassis is the bridge between propulsion and guidance, managing the violent output of the solid rocket motor. Silence is layered into the design, shielding the missile's brain from the mechanical pulse of the airframe. Precision on a massive scale, ensuring the chassis is perfectly balanced before the electronics are installed.
The chassis is complete.
Perfect. Time for the electronic nervous system.
Now, we install the system that will guide this weapon to its target.
The electronic brain is seated, capable of calculating complex flight paths at speeds exceeding Mach 5. High-resolution digital eyes allow the system to track and lock onto targets across hundreds of miles.
Our navigation systems ensure the flight paths corrected for the Earth's rotation and curvature. Absolute precision is what makes our subterranean systems the most accurate in the modern arsenal.
Fiber optics form the high-speed nervous system, ensuring zero-latency communication between every flight module. A digital awareness is raised, providing the system with the intelligence to strike with millisecond timing. The heart of the steering system, converting digital flight commands into physical movement at the edge of space.
Initiating global system sync test. Connection confirmed. Self-test cycle is clear. We synchronize every digital heartbeat, ensuring the machine operates as a single unified organism before final sealing.
Installing the high-energy thermal batteries into the center section now. Self-contained power is essential, providing the energy required for the system's complex electronic countermeasures.
Initiating final data handshake. The system is now self-aware, its brain is online, and its senses are primed for the final structural merge. Proceeding to Phase 7.
Automation at this scale ensures absolute symmetry, merging the missile's brain and propulsion into a single lethal entity. These robotic welders create an unbreakable bond, ensuring the airframe survives the thermal stress of atmospheric re-entry.
We use AI-driven thermal monitoring to prevent any microscopic warping during the high-speed welding process. Consistency is the key to accuracy. Every weld must be identical to maintain the system's aerodynamic integrity.
The system's steering is seated, the most responsive and accurate control surfaces in the subterranean arsenal. Modular shielding allows for rapid repair and upgrades, ensuring the airframe evolves as re-entry speeds increase. We seal the interior from the elements, ensuring the guidance electronics remain operational during decades of storage. The final layer of connectivity, a secure link that allows the system to receive target updates in mid-flight. Aerodynamic drag is minimized through engineering, allowing this titanium titan to reach the edge of space in seconds. The structure is finalized. The system is whole. Now, it must receive its tactical hide and environmental protection. Surface preparation is a precise science, ensuring the multi-layered thermal shield bonds perfectly to the titanium skin. We apply a chemical shield against time itself, preventing degradation in the humid environment of the deep mountain.
Our tactical finish is a complex polymer designed to absorb and dissipate radar energy. Modern invisibility is a coating, ensuring this precision system remains undetected by enemy sensors.
The tactical skin is engineered for speed and stealth, allowing the system to penetrate the most advanced air defenses. Heat locks the tactical identity in place, ensuring the coating survives the friction of 5 times the speed of sound. Thermal management is integrated into the finish, protecting the steering systems from the plasma heat of flight. Every system is an authenticated asset, tracked digitally from the mountain core to the moment of deployment.
Readings are stable, absorption at 99 pegs, thumbs up. We measure success in decibels and percentages, ensuring the system meets the rigid requirements of modern warfare.
The hide is complete. The Predator is dressed for flight. Now, the machine must prove its resilience in the simulation. We subject the airframe to extreme acoustic stress, ensuring every internal electronic bond remains intact during launch. From the freezing edge of space to the heat of re-entry, the system is engineered to remain operational. Lethality is verified in a digital vacuum, ensuring the autopilot outmaneuvers any modern countermeasure. Our guidance systems are hardened against the most intense electronic warfare environments. A precision strike is only possible if the system can think through the noise of the battlefield. The system is hermetically sealed, protecting the sensitive propellant and electronics for a 30-year shelf life. Hardened against the unexpected, the missile maintains its mission profile even under direct electromagnetic interference. Perfect balance is essential for Mach 5 stability, preventing any deviation during the climb to the target.
Calibrated. Test complete. Final battery discharge test initiated, simulating full mission sequence. Energy management verified. System is mission capable.
Tested, proven, perfected. The transition from raw ore to an apex defense system is complete. In the final hour, perfection is the only acceptable result for a masterpiece of aerospace engineering. Every moving part is primed for endurance, ensuring the journey from mountain to mission begins with total protection. A strategic inventory ready for global deployment, supported by environment that stops the clock on material aging.
Digital twin and logs verified. Code Alpha 9.
Confirmed. Code Bravo Zulu.
The transition is complete, from a static assembly of titanium and code to a mobile asset ready for the theater of operations. Every unit dispatched is a tribute to the thousands of hours of precision engineering that forged it within these hidden walls.
And this is how modern defense factories build advanced systems from start to finish.
Connecting engineering, moving the industry, and defining the future of global defense.